this is what I've been wanting to do. Finally had the opportunity to do it, and I'm glad I did it because it turned out pretty cool. So a few years ago, I noticed my wedding ring was shiny. It was always super shiny, and the body shop manager in Colorado said, dude, do you keep your ring buffed out? How do you keep it clean? I noticed there was never any scratches on it. So I did some research, went online, and I went to a local place and got tungsten carbide rods. I got 2 different diameters to test them out to see how I would like them. And finally today, I cut them down. I cut them down with a cutoff tool I got, put them on the bench grinder, grinding them down to the diameters and radius I want on there, and then I buffed them out. And these are 2 that I did today. I'm using them as knockdown tips. One super blunt. You can see how shiny it is, pretty shiny. See reflection. And then this one here is a little bit thinner. This is a 1/2 inch and this is a 1/4 inch. And also, I'm sure if you watch some of my videos, you notice I've used something like this to do knockdowns with. These you can get at Lowe's Home Improvement Store. They are made by Cobalt. And all I did was just grind them down at the body shop and buffed them out there. And I did 2. This one's gonna be for very, very sharp dents. This is gonna be for big crown work. And they don't scratch or scuff. I don't think they were because they're tungsten carbide. I went to a machinist and he said, hell no, we're not doing that because it's extremely hard to cut and extremely hard to work with. Make your own knockdowns if you have time in the day. It's pretty fun to do. Thanks for watching.